Alright, what's up everybody? Here we go. This is going to be the video for the $100 Amazon e-gift card. Again, had 10 spots as always. There's the list. And we are live. The time is 7:57. Alright, so there's the list 1 through 10. As always, going 7 times. Good luck. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6, we got Mark on top with spot 6. It is 7:57, about to be 7:58. Last and final time. Good luck, everyone. And Brian is our winner with spot number 9. There's your timestamp. 7:57, just turned 7:58. Verification code. Congratulations, Brian. Thanks everybody for playing. And we are done. Final timestamp. 7:58. Thank y'all.